Kingdom. Let's win Miss Kingdom.
You can't beat me.
I'm going to win.
Guys, please don't make
me win as most time.
I would be so embarrassed. Don't make me beat me.
How long is the match?
It's like 5 minutes. So once I get into the match thing, it's nice, bad. Match nice, bad.
Much nice. Much nice, man. Because we can't get to socialize and talk to each other. Yes. It's nice, man. Very cool. Bugatti. See you on Sunday, Miss Kingdom. I'm gonna see you on Sunday.
So well, so what's next?
Guys, on the screen record me. Wait.
Okay, so when your points go up, it means that what?
So basically, the blue side actually, and the red side actually, on my screen.
Let's win this.
Yeah, before the last couple fights, I think and after that, let's win this. Twisted with the ends though. All the sirens win there. No. I might match this again with me now ask you. So twisted in there.
Let's win this one. Yeah, go win.
Tracy there. Come on there. One queen there. Sit down. Relax the body. So we have another one. Can I have a shot of avocado?
Banging, man. The music, the bang, man. Miss Kingdom, they say we should add Ivani. Lauren! Yes, Lauren, we are in Miss Kingdom. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
13.
I can't win. My sister reads. My sister's here. You can't beat me. I'm not. Okay.
Where's the sister? Tracy? I see you, Tracy. But Tracy not gonna win. We're gonna win this one. Miss Kingdom passed away. Guys. Guys, don't win no anymore. Miss Melanin, okay, let's go with it then. Okay, Jimbo, I see you.
Oh my God. Oh, that's. Can't drink now. That's shabby, man. I know this camera. Guys, any me and
Miss Kingdom, I thought you said I couldn't win you.
oh my god. Nine.
No, sir. Try it again. That one the empty.
Chris. What's up? Let me show you. Put your phone on the mute because the light loud as hell is coming down. You know that damn thing. Hold on. I'm gonna ask you one last match, me and you. I'm gonna keep watching. Wait for me, Chris, in here and pay in here. And go on here, girl.
Miss Twinkle Ivan said she wanna come and match with us.
Niece, in here.
She could come because I see it as me first time.
Last match, I'm a six nugget. I'm a six nugget. Everyone.
Miss Ivan said she wanna come.
Exactly. Hey, thank you, sis. This is the last match, guys. The cooking clarity pan go in. Quick iPad. In there.
Are you getting
No, Chris came in clutch. Yeah.
Guys, let's win this one. Team winners, come on, we are roll out. Team winners, roll out. We are winning this one. Outside, we're gone. Team winners, let's win this one. Let's get the W. Let's get the W, team winners. Let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna recharge.
Team winners, let's go.
Here, Britt, let me tell you something. Listen. My sister is here. Twisted over here. Chris over here. No way I do.
No, we're gonna win this one. I'm gonna win.
Listen.
I'm gonna win this one.
Alright, Britt. Then I'll ask you.
Yeah. Team winners, let's go. Let's go, team winners. Count the knee down. Team winners, let's go. Team winners, let's win this one. Team Thomasio. I don't want to think for my team.
Well, enjoy yourself, yes, man, around here. Enjoy yourself.
One teacher, I see you. Let's go, guys. They're gonna snipe us last minute. Somebody send one lion. They can't beat one lion. One lion.
Hey.
Twisted now so much money over there. One lion.
Where you been? I've been seeing you forever.
Okay. Lauren, I see you. Let's go with it then. Lauren, let's go.
Thank you, sis.
Barbie. Okay, Barbie. Goffe, thank you so much.
No, man.
Guys, they're going to snipe us. Last minute snipe.
Up over there. Guys,
That's what Miss Kingdom said. Twisted. Twisted, you don't got enough. Twisted, go sit down.
Asking, which I can't wait because more on them save up them smoke from gonna play the chorus.
We are going. Okay, what you say? Let's go. Okay, put a lion up there. 2 more K. Sharon, I see you. Let's go with the wheel. All right, let's go. We found a win. I can't wait to get the last laugh. Okay, Trin, I see you. Let's go.
No, but that it's okay. Thank you, sis. Thank you, Kate. Twisted, Deb.
Trending.
I know. Snipe, guys, snipe. Guys, snipe. It's the last game. She cannot take my streaks from me, please. We are doing
Let's go. I'm giving you a kiss so when I win, you don't feel no way. We are going to take the 6 straight them now. Because we're going. Our straight them gone.
Only got snipe on.
Straight them gone. Big Psycho Bunny.
Everybody.
Whoa, I'm number 20 on the ranking. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. This not look good.
Oh my God.
I took your streak, Miss Kingdom. You want the rematch again?
Thank you guys. Twisted, thank you. We have to my request again, but I don't beat me and take my streaks on
We can rematch it one more time, please. Wow. Guys, we're going to get 2 wins.
Lassie.
Where is Twisted now, Miss Kingdom? Where is Twisted now? Your body looks so sexy, Miss Kingdom.